Hello and welcome YouTube to 5 cool things about Charleston, South Carolina. Alright, cool thing about Charleston, South Carolina, number 1 is that it was the 4th largest city in colonial America and the richest. So out of all the 13 colonies, Charleston was number 1 for wealth, number 4 for size. Pretty cool. So by 1770, it had attained this status and prestige. And at the time, the population was 11,000 people. And 11,000 doesn't sound like much, but remember, it was a brand new country, so there weren't that many people here yet. 1770, after all. The median household income of Charleston, South Carolina is $52,971 per year. Cool thing about cool thing about Charleston, South Carolina, number 2 is that Charleston has the first college, museum, and playhouse in the United States that were open to the public. Alright, cool thing about Charleston, South Carolina, number 3 is the awesome mix of tropical and pine trees. There's a lot of palm trees in the area, there's a lot of pine trees, there's a lot of trees that are kind of in between. The greenery here is really nice. Alright, cool thing about Charleston, South Carolina, number 4, is its age. It was founded in 1670 in honor of King Charles II of England. And within the first 10 years of its existence, it became the 5th largest city in all of North America. The old houses that you find here are awesome. I love it. It reminds me of Europe, but I can tell that we're in America. It's that old school American vibe that you get. You think of like founding fathers. If you're from the north like me, it's different. It's something I haven't seen before, and I just love it. It's fantastic. All right, cool thing number 5 about Charleston, South Carolina is that it was voted one of the friendliest states, one of the friendliest cities in the entire United States. People here tend to be a lot more welcoming, friendly, and hospitable to you, no matter where you're from. And it's really nice. Bud. It's Southern hospitality, what? And it's really nice to know that wherever you're from, you can just come to South Carolina, you can come to Charleston, and people are going to be nice to you and welcome you, as long as you're not a weirdo. Whoop! The good food and Southern comfort, which is Southern comfort food. It's great here. We ate at a restaurant called Sweetwater Cafe, and it was just one we found walking down the streets. Really good. I tried grits for the first time, and I really liked it. I got shrimp grits with gravy on top and some vegetables mixed in. Delicious, delicious. Goes great with coffee in the morning. So yeah, the food here, awesome. I recommend. And whatever you do, don't go to Subway or McDonald's when you're here. Go to a proper restaurant. Go get some real food. All right, so for my closing thoughts on Charleston, I really like this city. Tons of good culture, good vibes. It's warm, it's friendly. It's warm in more ways than one. It's actually like 80-something degrees out, so it's nice. Do you have any final thoughts, Josh? What do you think about Charleston?
I like it a lot. Good people, good food.
Good people, good food.
Place to visit.
How'd you like those grits today?
They're real good. Some of the better grits I've ever had. I honestly say.
Only grits, right?
No, I've never had them.
Yeah, so only grits we've ever had, but they were good. They were good. Would try again. All right. Thank you for watching, guys. That's been my 5 cool things about Charleston, South Carolina. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave the like and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Next video is going to be a road trip vlog video from Michigan to Miami with fun facts about the states in between. So be sure to check that out. That will be the next video I post. Subscribe so you don't miss it. All right, see you guys next time.